Hello again, friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about important issues to make your health last longer. Today's topic is about magnesium. Sure, you have heard about magnesium. Magnesium, in medicine, we call it an electrolyte. Electrolytes are substances that are in our body that helps to regulate hundreds of chemical reactions. Mighty magnesium, according to present research, can participate in at least 600 biochemical reactions in our human body. We will explore the potential benefit of magnesium supplement, specifically for women of different age groups, from childbearing age to menopause. Let's unlock the benefit of magnesium. Let's start with a clear understanding. Your body does not produce magnesium. We need to ingest or take the magnesium from a source outside of the human body. The amount you need depends on your age and your gender. If you are a woman, aged 19 or older, you need around 310 milligrams every day to 350 milligrams if you are pregnant, and if you are an adult man, you may need around 400 milligrams a day. If you take a look inside your body, magnesium is primarily found inside some cells of the human body. And I will tell you a secret. Do you know where is the largest amount of magnesium stored in your body? Well, it is in your bones and your teeth, in around 60% of the whole composition of magnesium in the body. It is important to note that most people get enough magnesium from the daily diet, and they do not need to take magnesium supplementation. Now, be advised that taking excessive supplementation of magnesium, it can be toxic and lead to side effects such as diarrhea, nausea, and abdominal pain, abdominal cramping. Where do we get magnesium from? One good supplementation from fish, for example, salmon, halibut, Atlantic mackerel, and you may ask, from where the fish get the magnesium? Well, fish can get the magnesium from the water where they live, rich in magnesium, and from whatever they eat that is already containing this mineral. Just to give you an example, half a fillet of salmon, which is around 178 grams, can pack around 53 milligrams of magnesium, which is not bad. It's around 13% of the recommended daily intake of magnesium. But be aware that the presence of magnesium in any food that we eat is affected by how it is cooked. Magnesium is not only present in fish, but you can find it as well in fruits, vegetables, and other good sources of magnesium such as spinach, bananas, tamarind, potato with skin, okra, broccoli, some nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and whole grains. Now, let's dive into the role of magnesium in women's health. Just like a magic elixir, magnesium supplementation has been shown to alleviate some premenstrual symptoms, giving the woman the power to regain control of their life. Studies have demonstrated a relationship between low magnesium and PMS symptoms. Magnesium supplementation has been shown to alleviate the symptoms by modulating serotonin levels, making it a valuable therapeutic intervention. Magnesium helps regulate serotonin levels in the brain, and serotonin is a substance, a neurotransmitter in our brain, and is responsible for enhancing our mood. So having magnesium levels right is as having a personal happiness potion at hand. Magnesium can help to reduce water retention, a common symptom in PMS, by balancing the levels of other minerals in the body. Magnesium has anti-inflammatory properties which can help alleviate the symptoms of PMS that are causing inflammation such as pain and swelling. Some researchers, they have found that the amount of magnesium inside the cells is low at time of the menstrual cycle. Therefore, it has been suggested that magnesium supplementation is a potential preventative and therapeutic approach for premenstrual syndrome. that apparently is more effective if you associate supplementation of magnesium with vitamin D at the same time. There is one problem only here, that the magnesium reserve inside the cells, it doesn't go up immediately. It takes some time. So if you take magnesium supplementation, it will take 4 to 6 weeks to actually see some results. Levels of magnesium during pregnancy are very important, and it has been linked to the development of something that is called preeclampsia, which is high blood pressure during pregnancy. Magnesium supplementation, it has been found to be effective in resolving some symptoms of preeclampsia. Let's talk about menopause. It is a period that can be difficult for some women with the so-called hot flashes. Fortunately, magnesium supplementation may come to their rescue. Hot flashes, also known as vasomotor symptoms, are common during menopause. They involve sudden intense heat, sweating, flushing, and rapid heartbeat. These symptoms can be disruptive and uncomfortable for certain patients. The exact cause of hot flashes is related to hormonal changes, particularly a decrease in estrogen during menopause. This affects the hypothalamus, which is an area in the brain that regulates the temperature. Recent studies suggest a link between hot flashes and cardiovascular risk factors. Women with hot flashes may have higher blood pressure, cholesterol levels are higher, and insulin resistant. Magnesium, known for its role in regulating blood pressure and insulin metabolism, has been studied for its potential in reducing hot flashes. It also affects neurotransmitters, as we mentioned before, like serotonin, which may be related as well to the hot flashes. More research, however, is needed to confirm the magnesium effectiveness in determining the right dosage in the management of hot flashes. Further studies are really required to determine its effectiveness in treatment approaches. Let's talk about another painful condition in females, which is called polycystic ovary syndrome. In polycystic ovary syndrome, magnesium becomes a trusted helper. Magnesium helps in fighting the insulin resistance that often accompanies polycystic ovary syndrome. Imagine magnesium as a shield protecting your body from the chaos caused by imbalanced hormones. Together with other interventions, magnesium supplementation can help restore balance and bring you closer to victory in controlling the symptoms. Magnesium is like a hero in a tale. And remember, all the heroes, they never fight the war alone. They always have a team. So taking magnesium alone is not a solution. Magnesium has to be taken as part of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management, which is essential for managing all these conditions. In general, while magnesium holds a tremendous power, I cannot emphasize enough that having an overall healthy lifestyle and incorporating magnesium into it is when you're going to get further and enhanced results. So that's all for today about magnesium, and I want to wish you all the best. Please subscribe and stay magnesium strong. Thank you very much for watching. All the best.